Hello students, welcome back to Commerce by Shraddha, and today we are starting an important chapter of class 10th economics, that is development. Okay, so whenever we hear the word development, we usually think of money, income, big buildings, industries and modern technology. But is development only earning more money? मतलब आप सोच के देखो कि क्या एक पर्सन के लिए जो more income can be defined as development. So some people may want a good job while others may want respect, freedom, education, security or a healthy life, right? So similarly, different countries and different states may have different goals of development. So in this chapter we will understand that development is not only about income. We will learn about development goals, national development, per capita income, human development index, public facilities and sustainable development. So let's begin this interesting journey to understand what development really means and why it is different for different people. Okay. So the idea of development or progress has always been with us. That means that development is not a new concept for us, right? Since ancient times, human beings have always wanted to improve their lives and move towards a better future. So अगर हम लोग देखें अपने एंशियंट टाइम को, एंशियंट अर्ली मैंस को, है ना, अर्ली टाइम में जो आदि मानव जिनको बोलते हैं, सो दे हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड टू इम्प्रूव देयर लाइफ्स एंड बिकम टू एंड वांट टू मूव टूवर्ड्स द बेटर फ्यूचर. So from discovering fire to using modern technology, every achievement reflects the desire for progress. So development is a continuous process of improvement in human life, right? So we have aspiration or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. So every person has dreams and goals about their future. Some wants a good education, some want successful career, while others may wish for a peaceful and happy life. So these desires motivate people to work hard and improve their living conditions. So development is meaningful because it helps people achieve these goals. So we have ideas about what a country should be like. Okay. सो जस्ट एज इंडिविजुअल्स हैव पर्सनल गोल्स, जैसे आपका हमारा सबका पर्सनल गोल्स है ना डेवलपमेंट आगे ग्रोथ के लिए. सो लाइक वाइज पीपल ऑल्सो हैव एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम देयर कंट्री. अब खुद के पर्सनल गोल्स को, पर्सनल ग्रोथ को देखना है हमें, तो हम लोगों का हमारे कंट्री से भी तो एक तरह से क्या कह सकते हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि हमें अपने कंट्री को अच्छा करना है या फिर हमारी कंट्री में ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, है ना. So what are the essential things that we require? It is asking that कि ऐसा क्या क्या है जो हम लोगों को चाहिए. It means it is asking about the necessities of life like food, clothing, shelter, education, healthcare, clean water and employment are some of the essential things people need here. So without these basic facilities, people can't live a decent life. Next question is asking that can life be better for all? So it is asking about that development should not benefit only a few people, but it should improve the lives of everyone in the society. So the goal of development is to create opportunities and better living condition for all the people. Next is how should people live together? Okay, so development is not only about income and wealth. It is also about maintaining peace, cooperation and mutual respect in the society. So एक अच्छे समाज में जो है मिलजुल कर रहने के लिए हम लोगों को एक दूसरे का रिस्पेक्ट करना होगा, है ना, और शांति बनाकर रखना होगा. So people should not be discriminated against because of caste, religion, gender or economic status. So next question is asking, can there be more equality? So equality means an important aspect. It is an important aspect of development, right? A society cannot be considered truly developed if there are huge difference between rich and poor, or if some groups do not get equal opportunity means कि सबको अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट का बेनिफिट मिल रहा है तो इक्वली मिले. ओके, it is talking about equality. So every person should have their fair chance to improve their life. Next is development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. So development is not just about identifying problems, it is also about finding the practical solution for those questions, for those problems. It means कि जो development का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ questions और problems find out करो, बट इसका काम ये भी है कि उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को, उन क्वेश्चंस को, उन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने का प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्यूशंस भी फाइंड आउट करना. सो दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क एंड इन दिस चैप्टर वी शैल मेक अ बिगनिंग एट अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलपमेंट. ओके, so development is a broad and complicated concept because different people may have different ideas about what a better life means. Like suppose कि आपके लिए better life का मतलब कुछ और हो सकता है, मेरे लिए better life का मतलब कुछ और हो सकता है. Maybe at some places we are at same thought, but not everywhere, right? So you will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. So it is saying that the chapter introduces that basic ideas of development. As you will continue your studies, you will learn more detailed concepts related to economic and social development. So also you will find answers to many of these questions not just in economics but also in your course in history and political science. So it is saying that development is connected with many subjects. Like economic help us understand income, production and resources. But history explains that how past events have shaped in our society. Political science helps us understand the role of government and democracy. Right? So this is because the way we live today is influenced by the past. So it is saying that the present situation of any society is greatly influenced by its history. आज जो हम लोग लाइफ जी रहे हैं ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे कहीं ना कहीं क्या ये तो पास्ट से जुड़ा ही हुआ है. So the opportunities we have today, the institution around us and many social conditions are the result of past decisions and events. Okay. यानी कि जिस समाज में आज हम लोग रह रहे हैं ये अचानक नहीं बना हुआ है, ये अपने पास्ट से जुड़ी हुई चीज़ों और एफर्ट्स का रिजल्ट है जो हम लोगों के सामने आज खड़ा है. सो वी कांट डिज़ायर फॉर चेंज विदाउट बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ दिस. सो इफ़ वी वांट टू इम्प्रूव आवर सोसाइटी वी मस्ट फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट रीजंस बिहाइंड एग्जिस्टिंग these problems. Understanding the past help us create a better future. So in the same way, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. So it is saying that people's dream and expectations can become reality only when they have a voice in decision making. So in a democracy, citizens can elect their representative and influence government policies through democratic process, and people's need and aspiration can be transformed into real development. Okay, so next is what development promises different people different goals. But before going to this topic, let's conclude this part. Okay, so in this part NCERT is introducing about कि डेवलपमेंट का मीनिंग जो है लोगों के लाइफ को बेटर बनाना है, उनके नीड्स को पूरा करना है, उनको रिस्पेक्ट देना सोसाइटी में और एक ऐसा समाज बनाना जहाँ पे सब इक्वालिटी के साथ और खुश रहें, है ना. These all lines are talking about only these things. So next is what development promises different people different goals. So let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in table 1.1. So it is saying that ki before understanding development, NCERT wants to think about an important question that ki does a development mean the same thing for everyone? But the answer is no, because different people have different needs, situations, and dreams and their income, right? So, therefore, their understanding of development can also be different. So, for example, a student may think that good education is development. For you, may you can think that कि आपके लिए अच्छा education ही क्या है, आपका development है. But while a farmer may think that better irrigation facilities and higher crop prices are development. So for farmer के लिए अच्छा irrigation facility और उनके लिए crop prices जो है अच्छे लेवल के क्रॉप्स मिलना, क्वालिटी सीड्स मिलना, ये सारा उनके लिए डेवलपमेंट है. सो दिस शोज दैट डेवलपमेंट इज अ पर्सनल एज वेल एज सोशल कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, so what are their aspiration? It is saying that ki what aspiration means goals, dreams, right? Desires, hopes that people want to have in their future. So like a labor may aspire to earn a higher income, a student may aspire to get a quality education, like a business person may aspire to earn more profit. So these aspirations help us understand that what development means to different people. Okay, you will find that some columns are partially filled. ट्राई टू कंप्लीट द टेबल. इट इज सेइंग दैट कि कुछ एरिया जो है टेबल का फिल्ड है और बाकी जो अनफिल्ड है उसको फिल करने का कोशिश करो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड एनी अदर कैटेगरी ऑफ पर्सन. बोल रहा है कि किसी भी कैटेगरी के पर्सन को जो है यू कैन फिल. ओके,